Hello all, welcome to my channel, Joy of Learning CSC. In our previous video, we explored Draw.io workspace and learned about its interface. Today, we will take the next step by creating flowchart using Draw.io. By the end of this video, you will learn what is a flowchart, the standard flowchart symbols, 3 quick ways to connect shapes and create flowchart within seconds. Can you create this professional flowchart under a minute? In this video, I demonstrate 3 powerful techniques that makes it possible using Draw.io. There are several ways to connect shapes in Draw.io. Today, I will demonstrate 3 simple and efficient methods. The first method is clone and connect shape. The second method is dropping a shape onto an existing connector or shape. Third method is using keyboard shortcuts, which is the fastest option. Let us look at each method one by one. Before creating a flowchart, remember these basic symbols. Oval represents start and end. Rectangle represents a process. Diamond represents a decision. Parallelogram represents input or output. Arrow represents the direction of flow. Circle represents connector. Like that, the other symbols, document, multi-document, and preparation symbol in the flowchart, which are used frequently. The first method to create a flowchart is clone and connect shapes. Let us begin creating a flowchart using the first method. First, place a shape onto the canvas. Move the mouse over the shape. You will notice blue connection arrows around it. Select the required shape among the list of available shapes. A new shape is automatically created and connected. Repeat the process to continue building the flowchart. Double-click the flowchart symbol to enter the text. You can remove the symbol. Anytime you can replace the symbols appropriately by selecting and deleting it. You can enter the text by selecting the symbol, and you can give the coloring to the text by selecting the color in the style panel. Like this, you can give the colors. This is how you can create a flowchart using the first method. First, place a shape onto the canvas. Then move your mouse over the shape. You will notice blue connection arrows. A new shape is automatically created when you select the symbol. Like this, you can create the flowchart easily and enter the text into the symbol by double clicking on it. If you want to replace any shape, you can select the shape and delete it, and you can insert a new shape accordingly, and then again you can create the required shape by selecting the blue arrow. So, sum of two numbers using sum of two numbers representation using flowchart is created successfully. Then you can give colors to these symbols by selecting the color in the style panel. This is how you can apply the colors. You can also give the colors to the text by selecting the text color in the text panel, and you can change the font size, font style accordingly in the text panel. The second method of creating flowchart is drop shapes onto the existing shapes and connectors to connect them. In this method, select the shapes from the shapes panel and drag and drop into the canvas. After selecting the shapes, you can connect them by using the green circle visible when you point the mouse to the shape. Simply drag that green pointer so that it will connect two shapes. This is how you can connect the shapes using the second method. And as usual, you can enter the text by double clicking on the shape. Input, process and output. End. Once again I repeat, you select the shape and drop it in the canvas. Likewise, all the shapes you select and drop it. Finally, you connect them by pointing to the circle and connecting to the shape. That's all. This is the second method. One important tip to be remembered here is when you drag the shapes onto the canvas, you see that the shapes are aligned properly in the grid line. So a vertical line visible while aligning the shapes, it shows whether the shapes are aligned at the center with respect to the other shapes. Based on that, you can arrange the symbols onto the canvas and then connect the shapes by using the connectors. If the shapes are not properly aligned, then the line connections will not be straight. It will be in a zigzag manner. This is the important point to be noted while creating the flowcharts in Draw.io. The third method is the fastest method, and it is using the keyboard shortcuts. We have to hold Alt and X and click on the shape to create a shape in the flowchart. Let us see the example using the third method. Now let us look at the fastest method. Select a first shape and drag and drop it into the canvas. The second shape can be automatically created by holding the keys Alt X and click on the required shape so that it will automatically display and connect to the already existing shape. This is how you can create a flowchart. Third method is the fastest method. In this method, we have to hold Alt X and then select the required shape from the shapes panel. Once again, I demonstrate this method. Initially, we have to select the first symbol and drag and drop it into the canvas. After that, hold Alt X and select the shape. It will automatically connect to the previously selected shape. Likewise, you can create the flowchart using the keyboard shortcut Alt X. Now let us look at one more example. Select the first symbol and drag it into the canvas. Hold Alt X and select the remaining symbols. See that indecision automatically it is connecting to the shape when you drag the shape and reposition into a different location. Likewise, you can adjust the place of the shape as per your application requirement. Now I would like to connect connections from this process symbol to print. Select the green button and connect it here and adjust the position of the arrow by using this double line mark. When you point to the arrow, you get a double line mark. By dragging through the double line mark, you can adjust the position of the connector according to the requirement. So likewise you can connect. So once again I delete this connector and again I add a connector by dragging to the green circle and dragging the line to the required shape. And the connectors are adjusted by using the double line when you point it to the arrow. This is how you can create a professional flowchart easily within short time. So here is the comparison between a flowchart created using Paint and a flowchart created using Draw.io. You can clearly see the difference between the flowchart and its finishing and the professional look in the flowchart created by Draw.io compared to the flowchart created by the Paint. So we learn 3 quick methods to connect shapes in Draw.io. These techniques will help you create professional flowcharts much faster. Try creating your own flowchart and let me know in the comment section which method you found most useful. If you like this tutorial, like and subscribe to my channel. That's all for this today's video and happy learning. See you in the next tutorial.